I remember you saying then, loving you is like jumping off the cliff. Jump off the cliff then, I told you. You said, maybe tomorrow I will have the time, or I will love you, it's the same. You killed me then. No, you claim I killed you. Is it really true? Those were the Mercury days. I kind of lost track of what was real and what was that horrible dream. I find it so painful to remember all that, getting totally lost in that labyrinth of misunderstanding. You say so often, I like looking at you while you're asleep. Those tiny movements of your eyelids, so nice. The approaching of winter never seemed so unbearable. Hey, it's Christmas today, you said. Happy Christmas. I took this photograph for you. Can we not be lovers, please? We are. I know. I know. When I saw you waiting that night at the port, wow, I had a gut feeling, like when you left the first time. I said to myself, it's not a dream, she's really here. God, I will remember that night forever. My feet so cold. Did you really think we could sleep in the same bed without making love? Not really. Did you know we would make love on that night? Well, of course. Are you always like that?